Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Please, if you are new, subscribe it. And if you don't know anything about this broker, below this video you will find a complete tutorial about this platform and how to start from the beginning. So guys, today I will explain to you one of my favorite strategy with the price action. This strategy is all about break out, break down, and break up. So whenever, for example, whenever the price is in an uptrend and it break a new level like this, we can make a call option just right here for 1 minute expiration. Okay, I will explain to you with some examples on my live account. This is my live account, so stay there, and if you have any question, if you have any doubt about this trading strategy, just let me know below. So guys, the first thing we have to do is to trace our line. This is a trend line that I trace. We are on an uptrend. What we have to do is to look for call option on this case. Call option. So here the price just made a new high. What I usually do is to place the level on this high, and I set an alert. Just to be notified when the price break out this resistance level. So on the meantime, I keep doing the same in other pairs, like this one. For example, we have this pair which is downward. You can see here is a downward trend. What I do is I trade with the trend. So I place an alert here because we have a support level. We have a support level on this area. So when the price break down this level, I will make a put option. Okay, remember this is a trend line. It's a downward trend. So we need to be patient to wait the best entry. Here again we have another downward trend. This is a channel, a downward channel. It's a bearish channel. So let me extend it to here. Let me zoom in. So guys, I have a support level down here. When the price break down this level, I can make a put option too. I also set an alert just to be notified. Here we have something very similar to the previous one. We have downward channel, and in this channel we have different support level. For example, we have this support level, we have this very important support level. So when the price break down this support level, it will notify me, and then I will make a put option. As simple as that, guys. Here we are on an uptrend. You can see here this is an uptrend. Okay, let me place this trend line just not to confuse you. This is a trend line that the market was respecting. However, it's changing right now. It's changing. Since this trend is changing, what we can do is we can set an alert on this level. Since this is a support level, if the price break down and close below this level, we can make a put option. So let me set an alert just to be aware of this. And here we have an uptrend waiting for that breakout. Here I have this resistance level. Okay, let me place this resistance level just for you to see better. Okay, you can see here the price is almost touching that level, but I want the price to close above that level. Once the price close above this level, I can make a call option. Okay, but I need a candlestick like this one to close above this level to be a strong break up. The same with the other. We need some candlestick very strong. Here I need a candlestick to close above this level, very strong candlestick. So I think I will pause the video. Just to wait for an entry point. Alright, here we are. Yes, it's just happening. Let's make a call option. Okay, didn't allow me. Let me try again. Wow. I don't understand why he didn't allow me. He's telling me in Spanish that there's not enough options to trade. I don't know why. But it's okay, let's wait for the other one. But as you can see here, this movement is very accurate. If we could make this entry right here, we could win this trade. We could win this trade. Okay, let's wait. This is a downward trend, so let's wait a little bit more. Okay, if the market on this level go back a little bit to the half of this candlestick, I could make a call option. I still have time to make a call option, but no, it's not enough because okay, let me see. I made the call option, but it was not very good at all because it was too late. But it's okay. I think we can still win this one. But as you can see, you see a very good and very strong break up with this candlestick, and the previous candlestick was very strong too. So it was a very good opportunity. We lost this one maybe because we were too late. We bought at the high of this breakout, but we were correct with this entry. It's okay, we can recover on the next entry. I will pause the video to see what happened. Guys, I made this entry on the pullback and I forgot to record it, but we just recover the last one. So I'm just waiting for this. This is a new high. You can also see on the chart mark the new high. So we can place another alert here. Once the price break up this level, we can make another call option we can make. I'm still waiting for this pair to send me some signals. Okay, not yet. Okay, let me check. Since this is a bearish market, we have a support level here, and if the price close below this level, we can make another put option. Yeah, we can make a put option right here, but it's okay. Let me set an alert and see another pair. Oh, no, yeah, no, yeah, nothing is happening. So let's be patient. Let's be patient and wait a little bit more. Okay guys, as you can see, it closed below the level with trace, so I think it's a good entry. It's a good entry point, since the general market in 1 minute chart is, is down. So it brought down the support level, and it closed below that support level too. So I think it's a good entry, because the price can go down to look for this area. Okay, remember, this is another support zone. Okay, let's wait. We have 9 seconds, 8 seconds. We don't know what's gonna happen at the end. We won the trade. Just for a few peep. Okay guys, let's wait for another entries. Maybe I will have to make another video about this strategy when the market condition is better, because right now at this moment is 12:53, so after afternoon. So it's not a very good schedule to trade. My favorite schedule to trade is in the morning, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Anyway, I invite you to read the article that I will post below this video. It will be about this trading strategy, how you can apply it to yourself, and how you can improve it by yourself too, which are the best condition of the markets to apply this trading strategy. So guys, let's wait a little bit just for this entry to see what happened. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. Comment below, leave any question you have, any doubt, and I will answer all of them. Okay guys, I think this is another opportunity. It's confirming, is producing a very good breakdown with this candlestick, and I think it should go down to this level. Just waiting a very good price to enter. Yeah. Here we made a put option. I think we can win this option. And on the meantime, let's see. Okay, yeah, we are having a real break up of this level. Remember, this is a new high that the price made, and it's been breaking with a very good candlestick, a very bullish candlestick. So let's wait for the close. I'm just waiting for the close. If this candlestick close like this, I will make a trade of $20 just to recover that last one. Okay, let's do it. Let's see what happened here. We lost this one, but I think we can win this one, and this would be the last trade for the day. Okay guys, so this is the optimal entry. Yeah, this is a uptrend. It's a very good uptrend, very defined, and the breakout is also defined. Let's just wait for the price reaction above this resistance level that is just broke. Okay, let's wait. We are missing 10 seconds, and the price hasn't moved at all. I mean, it hasn't moved up as I wanted, but we won the trade. We won and we recovered the last one. So guys, this is the best way to trade breakout and breakdown. Please subscribe it, and again, if you have any doubt, any comment, just let them below this video. Hey, you see the move? You see the movement, the up move? That's what I wanted to see. That's what I want to see after the breakout. So guys, I'll see you later, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Goodbye.